In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the app's shortcut icon if it's missing in your Google Chrome browser. If you've noticed that your usual app's shortcut icon has disappeared from Chrome, don't worry. I've got you covered with a few easy steps that will help you restore it in no time. Let's dive into the process, which is simpler than you might think, and you'll be back to using your favorite apps right from Chrome in just a few minutes. First, you're going to want to open your Google Chrome browser if you haven't already done so. Once you're in the browser, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you should see a button that resembles a pencil. This is the Customize Chrome button. Clicking on this button will lead you to the customization options that Google Chrome offers. These options will allow you to adjust various settings and personalize your browser to fit your needs. After you click on the Customize Chrome button, a menu will appear with different customization choices. Among these options, look for the one labeled Shortcuts. Click on this, and it will open up a new section where you can configure which shortcuts you would like displayed on your new tab page. Now you'll be presented with two choices: My Shortcuts or Most Visited Sites. This is where you decide how you prefer to organize your shortcuts. If you opt for My Shortcuts, you'll have the ability to manually select and manage the apps or web pages you want to display as shortcuts. This option is great if you have specific sites or apps you access frequently and you'd like to keep them right at your fingertips. On the other hand, if you select Most Visited Sites, Chrome will automatically curate the shortcuts for you based on your browsing history. This can be particularly useful if you're comfortable letting Chrome do the work, ensuring that your most accessed pages are always just a click away. Once you've made your selection between My Shortcuts and Most Visited Sites, your changes should take effect immediately. You should now see your chosen shortcuts appear on the new tab page, including the app's shortcut icon that you were previously missing. And there you have it. You've successfully restored your app's shortcut icon in Google Chrome. Remember, you can always return to these settings and make adjustments whenever you want to change in how your shortcuts are organized. Thanks for watching, and keep enjoying your streamlined browsing experience with Google Chrome.